everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do an overall fall look, something you can wear to work, something you can wear going out with your girls. So most of these products will be either new to me or new to the beauty world. So just wanted to give that a heads up because you might be like, well, that's not technically new, but it's new to me. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So before I get into a newer foundation, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the eye products. You guys know, usually when I try a new eyeshadow palette that I've never tried before or anything from that brand, I like to do my eyes first before I set my foundation so I don't mess up my base. And the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using today will be Wet n Wild palettes. These are Rosé in the Air. And this one is Not a Basic Peach. So there's that one. That one you can definitely tell is more summery built. So I'm probably going to stick with this one, which is Rosé in the Air, because that's more fall. You have your maroon, you have your orange, you have your brown. And yeah, so I'm going to stick with this one, but I do have two palettes to try. Never tried a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, so I'm hoping good expectations from it. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Baking Oil. Hydrate and prep for flawless makeup application. That's what I'm going to be doing. It says apply before your foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this and apply a few drops to my face. This is my first time trying a baking oil or a priming oil, so I'm kind of excited to try this. And you guys know how I love Makeup Revolution, so ooh, it has a sweet lemony smell. I feel like I'm putting blessed oil on my face. For those of you who know what I'm talking about, like if you've been to a black church, you know what blessed oil is. But I love the smell of it. It has like a citrusy smell, and it's, of course, it's an oil, so it's extremely smooth. And for the foundation, I'm going to be trying a new foundation to me. Skin Perfect HD foundation from Kokie Professional. I have two shades, and these are the two darkest shades that are sold in store as well as online, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they look way darker online. Because I did swatch these before. I've never worn them, but I did swatch it, and I think I like the one. I think I like the 110. That's what that looks like. And then that is so that's the 120, that's the 110. And as you guys can tell, they are very runny, and you can also tell that the 120 is a little bit more red. I think I like the 110 when it dried down. It does shake well. That is one thing I will say out loud. It does shake well. So let's see what we get with two pumps. And I'm going to apply this with my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. You guys see this brush quite often. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Alright, so that is 110C on my face. It claims to be a natural finish. So I am getting a nice natural finish. Of course, I do have the baking oil underneath. Claims to be medium to full coverage. Yeah, I can see that. Right, so now that my concealer is all done, I'm going to go ahead and do my baking powder now. And the powder I'm going to be using is something extremely new to me. I think it is kind of a newer brand too. This is the Joah, I think. No, it's not Joah. It wouldn't be Joah. There's already a Joah. Joah? I don't know how to pronounce this. How do you pronounce this? Since nobody is telling me how to say the name of this brand, I'm going to call it whatever I want. Joah. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Korean for I like it. So I'm gonna go try. I'm trying this brand. It's the Selfie Ready Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I'm not even really gonna let this bake because I'm actually scared what it's gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep over my face with my e.l.f. What is it? The e.l.f. finishing powder. This is in the shade Dark Deep. I really love this powder as my all over face powder. As you guys can tell, I'm actually hitting pan with it, which is very shocking for me. I rarely hit pan on things. So another product that I'm also going to try that is extremely new. First of all, it's new to my channel, and it's new as well to the beauty community, but it's also new to this channel for a different reason. I usually don't talk about highlighters or blushes on my channel. This is the Milani Face and Eye Strobe palette. This is in the shade Golden Lights. This is the darkest one. There are two other ones. There's one that a lot of people have seen on social media. It looks like Neapolitan ice cream. I used to say Napoleon. Yeah, I used to say Napoleon ice cream, but it's Neapolitan ice cream. That's the one with strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. I'm gonna pop this one on my eye, actually. And if I mess up my eye, oh well. Nope, that actually gave it life. That is, I like you. I like you. I'm gonna take that gold for that inner corner. I like that. I think that like made it the perfect fall like eye look. I like it. Well, I'm gonna swirl them together and apply that as a highlighter. That is gorgeous. I don't think you guys can see what I'm seeing. Whatever. If you guys can't, oh well. I like it. Go try it for yourself. Go get this one. Once again, this is the Golden Light from Milani. And this is the Face and Eye Strobe palette. I love it on my eyes. I think it's absolutely gorgeous on my eyes. And I love it as a highlighter. All three shades blended. I think that's stunning. I'm keeping this. I don't even use highlighter, but I like this. Let me go ahead and set my face. And to set my face, I'm going to go back to Joah, whatever. And this is their Selfie Ready setting spray. This is matte. It says matte me down. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on my face. Does this say shake well? Because I'm gonna do that anyway. So while this is setting on my face, I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera, and then I'll be back with some new lippies that I want to swatch for you guys, as well as a new lip liner and some new mascara. So for the lips, I have 5 of the liquid Catsuit. I can't even hold it in my hand. But I have 5 of the liquid Catsuits from Wet n Wild. These are the limited edition Halloween versions. So I have 5 of them. I forgot how many there are, but I do have 5 of them, and I will do a lip swatching video. I'm gonna be using the Hex-Cellent Wet n Wild liquid Catsuit. And this is kind of it's a very maroon color, which is gonna go perfect with my eyes. I'm hoping it goes perfect with my eyes. This wasn't part of the Halloween collection, but I did see this and I was like, oh, I've never tried a gel lip liner. So this is Wet n Wild's first gel lip liner. This is in the shade, what is in the shade of? This is in the shade Don't Be a Prune. So let's go ahead and pop on the liquid Catsuit. It's supposed to dry down matte. It seems pretty matte right now, but I want to see if it dries down even more. So what I am going to do is go ahead and do my mascara. And of course, to continue on with the burgundy look and the maroon look or whatever, as it is fall, I'm going to try the Voluminous Original L'Oreal Paris Mascara. This is a newer shade. This is in the shade Deep Burgundy. I do already have the Voluminous Original, but I have it in the shade Blue, and I do love this as well. But they came out with a burgundy one, and I was like, why not? So I might as well go ahead and add this to my look, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara now. Let's just go ahead and wrap up my overall thoughts about this look. Starting with the eyeshadow palette, I think Wet n Wild has a decent eyeshadow palette. It was only $5, so I wasn't expecting much, but I got more than I expected. I did get pigmentation. The eyeshadow is still on my eye. It hasn't creased, it hasn't gone anywhere. Next up, we have the baking oil from Revolution. I actually do like that. I hope it helps me during my drier months, which usually are in the winter. My T-zone goes from oily and slick in the spring and summer, and then it goes to extremely dry and flaky late fall and winter months. So we'll see. I'm hoping that primer will be good for me in those months. And then I think it did excellent with the foundation. Speaking of the foundation, I think Kokie Professional Foundation is a good foundation. It did give me that natural look. It doesn't make me look cakey no matter how much more I put on. I think it can be built up to full coverage. I don't know how new of a brand they are. 18 shades, that's pretty decent. And you know, for me to try the second to darkest one, and it didn't really oxidize that much on me, I think that's pretty decent, but I definitely think they can also go darker. Next up, I tried the setting powder from Joah, but this Selfie Ready setting powder in the shade Banana. Once you put it on your face, at least for my complexion, I don't see the banana, I just see white ghost powder. So after the setting powder, what did I do? I went to the setting spray. Now the setting spray I do like. It does have a nice fragrance. Like, it just smells like fresh linen with the hint of citrus in it, but it's not too overpowering. And that's like the spray actually, like the mist actually is a pretty strong mist. Like, I feel like I don't need to continuously keep I feel like I could do and it's just like, all right, that's it, that's enough. Favorite thing of this whole like new try on video, it was, if you guys cannot tell, the Milani face and eye strobe palette in the shade Golden Light. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys cannot tell, it is blinging on my face right now. And it's blinging on my eyes. To you guys, it may just look like one color, but if you see it in person, you can definitely tell the three colors are blended perfectly together. You can see like, and if I turn a certain way, you can kind of see the copper, and then if I turn another way, you can see the maroon, and then if I turn another way, you can see the gold, and then just blends all together so perfectly. And I think this is definitely something you guys should check out for yourself. It is sold at Ulta, CVS, and Walmart. Those are the stores I saw for sure that carried this, and it's also sold online as well. So definitely check this out. Like I said, there are 2 other shades for different skin complexions, but if you're my skin complexion or darker, or maybe like 1 or 2 shades lighter, go check out this Golden Light face and eye strobe palette for sure from Milani. Next up I tried was the gel lip liner, and I think that was absolutely gorgeous. Not gorgeous, it was very gorgeous. It was a gorgeous shade. Just as soft as my NYX lip liners, just a little bit smoother than my NYX lip liners. I don't think I have a NYX color like this, so you definitely will be seeing me using this in more videos. I do have a Makeup Revolution version of this color, but it comes in like a shimmer. It has a shimmer to the liner, and that one's a little bit more sticky. This liner is smooth and creamy, and I like it. And then speaking of Wet n Wild and lip products, I think the liquid Catsuit matte lipsticks are extremely well formulated. It's not too sticky, it's not like a drying matte. Last but not least, this is the Voluminous Original Mascara in the shade Burgundy. You guys probably can't tell the burgundy shade, but I definitely can. I think it goes perfect with my eye look. I do like the shade Burgundy. I will keep this. Deep Burgundy, sorry. I will keep this. I will keep using it. But I'm not disappointed by anything I tried in this video whatsoever. I think everything has its time and its place. This is definitely a time to wear any of these makeup items because it is fall, and this is definitely giving you that fall type look, that just, you know, just relax and just go enjoy the leaves changing and the weather transitioning, and some sweaters and some leggings and some boots. Like, this is definitely giving you that type of vibe. That basically wraps it up for me. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on social media. Please let me know what you think of this look, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Yeah, so I'll definitely catch you guys in my next one. Peace.